Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel Glow Naturally. This summer, fight the sun naturally and protect your skin with easy to make natural sunscreen. If there is one thing that all dermatologists and skincare experts will tell you as you step out in the sun, it is this: do not leave home without applying sunscreen. Today, in this video, I am going to show you my homemade DIY Sweatproof SPF Sunscreen Recipe without Zinc Oxide. So, it is great on your skin. As a lot of sunscreens available in the market today are packed with chemicals which can harm our skin in the long run and lead to serious skin issues. A healthier alternative is switching your sunscreen with natural ingredients which can block the harmful rays of the sun. In order to make homemade DIY Sweatproof SPF Sunscreen Recipe without Zinc Oxide, we will be needing following things. Number 1. Coconut oil. Did you know coconut oil can work as a sunblock too? Coconut oil can block 20% of the sun rays falling on your body. This 20% can work for you if you wish to stay in the sun for a short period of time. However, if you wish to stay for longer, you can always reapply it. Coconut oil not just prevents your skin from sun damage, but has numerous other benefits like it moisturizes your skin, decreases inflammation, soothes blemishes, and keeps your skin soft for longer. Number 2. Aloe Vera. Usually, aloe vera is used to treat skin after its exposure to the sun. It is known to be effective in treating sunburns, inflammation, and redness. Many don't know that aloe vera can also be used as a sunblock for the skin. It can protect the skin by blocking 20% of the sun exposure. Since it acts as a protective shield, that's why we use aloe vera as a primer base on our skin before starting makeup, so that the makeup does not cause any damage to the skin. Aloe vera also benefits our skin in the following ways: moisturizes skin, fights skin aging, reduces infection, lightens blemishes. Number 3. Sesame oil. A layer of sesame oil just before stepping out in the sun can help you prevent your skin from sunburn. Sesame oil can protect your skin 30% from the harmful rays of the sun. You can reapply the oil if you wish to stay in the sun for a longer period of time. Sesame oil is great for the skin. It has vitamin E which protects your skin not just from the harmful UV rays but also toxins and polluted air. Number 4. Shea Butter. Though the SPF level of shea butter is very low, about 6 to 10, it can be used on days you don't wish to stay in the sun for a long period of time. It is a great ingredient to use on your skin as it comes with vitamin A and E which benefit your skin in numerous ways. Shea butter has antioxidants that protect your skin from radical damage as well and further prevent skin cancer. Applying a thick layer of shea butter can prevent your skin from burning if exposed to the sun for a shorter span. Number 5. Carrot seed oil. It is antifungal and antibacterial properties might help with skin infections. Carrot seed oil might help relieve eczema by fighting it. This has got SPF 35 to 40 and it provides nourishment to the skin. Other oils with SPF factor which you can also choose as per the availability: red raspberry seed oil which has 25 to 50 SPF, olive oil up to 7 SPF, almond oil up to 5 SPF, peppermint oil up to 7 SPF. Process of making: add 1/4 cup shea butter and coconut oil 2 tablespoons. Try to use cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil to a double boiler or a bowl on top of a pot of boiling water. Keep stirring it until all the ingredients melt and combine together. Once it melts, take it out of the heat and let it come down to room temperature. Refrigerate this for about 30 minutes until it solidifies. Not too hard. Take it out of the fridge and add 1 teaspoon of carrot seed oil and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and combine everything together until smooth. Finally, store it in a glass jar. Your homemade sunscreen is ready. Apart from protecting you from sun damage and sunburn, it also nourishes your skin because of the lovely ingredients we have used. This sunscreen is absolutely sweat-proof as I have used aloe vera gel in the mixture, which acts as a mattifying base and will give a sweat-proof look. The shelf life of this natural homemade sunscreen is about 6 months, refrigerated when not using. Next time you step out of your house, keep this natural sunscreen handy. It is recommended to expose our body to the sun rays for around 20 minutes every day. Make sure you avoid being in the sun for a longer period than that to prevent any damage to your skin. Also, don't forget to patch test all these natural ingredients on your hand first before applying them directly on your face to prevent any skin allergies. For more such stories around skincare, stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please do like this video and share it to your friends and family. It will keep me motivated to share more interesting healthy recipes with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Glow Naturally and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me.